The following message is transmitted at the request of the Emergency Notification Alert System of Puerto Rico. The YouTuber who is impersonating the Periscope live streamer Ruby Noosa with all letters on caps, is still active and the account has still not been taken down. Therefore, a report action notification has been issued. A report action notification means to repeatedly report each video as much as possible until the videos and the account are taken down. Stay tuned for the following instructions. Open the YouTube application, iOS or Android, go to the impersonator's YouTube, Ruby Noosa with all letters on caps, and report each video as spam, misleading and infringes my rights as repeatedly as possible. Repeat this action daily or frequently as much as possible until all the videos are taken down, including the impersonator's account. Do not show mercy on the impersonator. If this does not work, contact YouTube at YouTube LLC, 901 Cherry Avenue, San Bruno, California, 94066 USA. Phone number, 1-650-253-0000. Fax, 1-650-253-0001. Other contact report methods. Twitter. Open Twitter on desktop to www.twitter.com or on the Twitter application on iOS and Android. Sign in or make Twitter account if applicable. Click or tap the tweet icon. Type at YouTube, along with the message report, and click or tap tweet. Next method, YouTube. Make sure you are using the desktop version for this method. Go to www.youtube/reportabuse and select impersonation. Click continue and fill out the resulting forms. Do whatever it takes to take down the impersonator's account. If anyone has information about the impersonator, do not hesitate to contact Ruby Noosa on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, or contact the Emergency Notification Alert System of Puerto Rico on Twitter and Instagram, EAS_Puerto Rico, Facebook, ENS Puerto Rico without underscore. It is advised for YouTube to take down the impersonator's account now.